Hey guys, so we have a P30 Pro, and as you can see, it needs a new screen and a new back glass. But this story starts last week when a customer came up to my office, and he basically wanted to buy a new phone, as the current Redmi phone that he had was just not up to scratch. But he couldn't decide on another phone that he wanted to get because he still missed his X phone, the P30 Pro. And so he missed the edges on this phone, the performance, the endurance, the battery. He missed everything about this phone. So I just told him, why don't you get it fixed, man? And so here we are now with a completely smashed P30 Pro. So guys, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. And like I always do and always say, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. To the back plate of the phone, just so we can cut away at the glue that's stuck in between the glass. Now that I have the back glass nice and hot, I can use a display splitter, or disassembly tool, whatever you really want to call it, don't matter. And I'm just gonna pry it up. I don't have to be careful at all, really, as the back glass is already absolutely smashed to a million pieces. I just want to cut away at the adhesive that is gluing this back glass down. So let's get into, is it worth fixing an Huawei P30 Pro? And the answer to that question is, it very much depends on what you like about this phone. Some people love the specs of it, some people like the battery, some people like the operating system, and obviously you all know here in Europe and America, I think, Hawaii's are banned to use the Play Store. So you can't download the normal apps unless you bought the phone a certain period of time ago and the App Store was still available. Which is kind of sad, because obviously America and the European Union doesn't really fuck with China like that, even though they import so many of their goods. I think this phone's also been opened before. But yeah, it's a bit crazy to think that they've banned a whole device. Realistically, like, you know, they've tried to destroy their market base here in the Western world. I think this is because of the potential of Chinese spyware being on these devices. But look, I don't necessarily agree with that. Like, you know, like the likes of Samsung and iPhone literally collect our data and sell it on every day. You know, now obviously you've seen Apple get sued for eavesdropping using Siri. Oh my god, man, don't even get me started with Siri. Yeah, I would highly recommend to disable Siri on your phone if you want her listening into your conversations now, and then selling on your data to the highest bidder. But then you might be asking yourself, like, why does it matter if they sell on my data? Well, it matters because if you ever wondered why you have such personalized ads directly at you, it's because they're listening to you. So protect your data, for your data is literally your digital identity, and it's definitely not something to just give away willingly to every company that asks you for cookies, you know. So be careful, because there's something called identity theft. Basically what happens is some of these companies get hacked and their data gets stolen, and then your data gets put onto the black market, the dark web, and sold to various dodgy people and websites. And then from there, they basically spam you with their own, I guess, advertisements or scams. So I know I used to get text messages, and they make it so personalized to you. They'll find out what type of postal service you use, and one way is like they'll get you with is like they'll say like here in Ireland we use On Post, and they'll say On Post has some import duty fees, and it's basically to spark emotion with you to take action. And after you do take action, you pay the fee. Just pray you have your money the most of your money in a different account or a savings account, because you are about to get rinsed. An artillery strike of literal payments will be withdrawn from your account in small sums to larger sums, and as much as they can take, and then they'll just rinse you dry. You know, and it's sad. Like, it's sad. It's a sad reality that people. Okay, so. Okay, everything. Okay, back on the track to get this fixed. Yes, bodies. Is the fingerprint scanner. We'll grab that later on. Yeah, we'll grab that later. That is the gist of everything. I just have to figure out how the fuck this thing comes out. I think that all comes out. So for you guys that don't know, this would kind of be how service centers fix their devices. They would get a service pack. Well, at least for Apple and Samsung anyways. They'd get a service pack. From that service pack. Okay, so throw in the battery. Okay, now the battery's in. You can throw in this part. Connect it up here too. So there's one screw that goes in here. Yep. Helps to have your screwdriver magnetized. This shit is fucking long, man. It's really that. Now, where the fuck did you go in the last bitch of screw? Oh yeah? Get the fuck out of here, man. Put you on the first one. Test. Let's go, Shan. Okay, so here is the finished product. Let's check on the code there. Okay. These phones are clean. Very, very clean, I must say. Oh wow, okay. There you go, Sean. Yeah, I like these. It's a new screen. Bosh, baby.